Okay, recording. Good morning, everyone. Welcome as we all get settled in. Ensure your mic is on mute. We'll go over our expectations before we get started with class today in just a moment. So excited to see your faces, getting ready to learn, your nice body posture, your eyes are ready, your ears are ready. So let's get started. So every single day, we want to make sure we're starting our class out right. So when you come in, turn on your cameras because I want to see your beautiful faces. Next, make sure your mic is on mute. So we have the microphone and then it's got to be slashed out. Turn off and put away all distractions. That means no TV in the background, right? Because if your brain is distracted listening to the TV and you're not listening to Ms. Bullerman, you're not going to grow and learn, and that's not what we want. So you're away from all distractions in a nice, quiet spot. We're listening to others to respect one another. So if someone is talking, just like the teacher's talking, or if one of your classmates is talking, you are listening and your eyes are on that speaker. Next is unmute to speak. When I say toot toot, put your mic on mute, you put your mic off of mute. But if I call your name, you are able to take your mic off mute by pressing that button, and then it's your turn to be the leader and the speaker and the teacher, okay? Every time we speak, you are using your kind words every single time because you want to make sure that you are being a bucket filler. Always, always, always. And they use kind words. So let's go back to our classroom. And to start our brains to be nice and fresh, we will use our fish to help us with our breath. It says keep calm and never give up. So let's go to our fish to help us learn how to breathe in and out to get our brains ready to learn. As he goes up, breathe in. And as he comes down, breathe out. Breathe in. And then breathe out. Doing great. In. And breathe out. Last one. And breathe out. Excellent job. Now we are ready to focus. And before we do that, we always want to speak positively to ourselves. That's really important. That's why we're about to do 5 morning affirmations to say kind words to ourselves so we can be confident in our learning. So let's go ahead and start there.
Speak these affirmations every morning before you start your day. I have purpose.
Your turn.
I have purpose.
I am a good person.
I am a good person.
My life has meaning.
My life has meaning.
I am here for a reason.
I am here for a reason.
I am important.
I am important.
Awesome job. Now we are all ready to learn. Before we get started, I would love to hear your voices, so you could take your mics off mute and we could say hello, good morning to everybody. Let's do that for about 5 more seconds. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Toot toot. Put your mic on mute. Who's got it? Who's the first one? Who's the first one? Ah, awesome job. All right, now I'm going to stop sharing our classroom really quick because I want to share a morning message with you to help you know what we're doing today. It says, oops, excuse me. It says, good morning. Today we are going to practice blending syllables with our hands. Then we will practice our cup shape for handwriting. Love 1, 4, 3. Remember, that means I love you because it's 1 letter, 4 letters, and 3 letters. And we're going to count our letters in our words another day. But let's get started with a warm up. So I will do it and then you will help me in just a little bit. But first, I'm going to start. When we are practicing blending with our hands, we're using words that have 2 sounds in it to make 1. So they'll say 1, 2, blend. Now you try. Good job. Let's have Johnny unmute his mic and try. Awesome, Johnny. Now toot toot, put your mic back on mute. Love it. Good job, bud. Now let's try it with real words that have 2 sounds to make 1, and we're blending it together. Listen to me first. We'll practice, and then we'll play a game called popcorn. It'll be a lot of fun where you will get a chance to be the teacher as well. The first word is cupcake. Cupcake. Now you try. Next word is bedroom. Bedroom. Now you try. Next word is snowman. Snowman. Next word is seashell. Seashell. I want to see your mouths moving. Last one for practice, rainbow. Rainbow. All right. Good job. Now, I want to play that game popcorn. It's kind of funny because popcorn has the 2 sounds to make 1 in it. So we're going to start with that one. And I will be the first one to start. After I call someone's name, they get to blend the word together, and then it's their turn to call on one of their friends in the classroom to be next. The first word is popcorn. Okay, Malaya, your turn to blend it. Popcorn. Malaya, you pick a friend now. Okay, Deshaun. All right, Deshaun, you're next. Let's do dollhouse. Dollhouse. Deshaun, you pick somebody. Pick a girl this time. Let's have, all right, Kayla, okay. Sandbox. Blend it together, Michaela. Sandbox. Nice job, everybody. So that's something that we will be practicing every single day just so we can hear the sounds in our words. So it'll be that much easier for us to learn how to read as we go on through this year, because I know we're really excited about that. The next thing we're doing is practicing our cups. This is a shape that makes an actual letter, and it makes that sound We'll talk about that more later. First, let's just practice our handwriting. I'm taking out my whiteboard first, and then once I show you how to do it, it'll be your turn to practice on your whiteboard. So I will show you it after I draw and explain what it really is. This is our cup shape. As you notice, we've talked a lot about horizontal and vertical lines. It has a vertical line over here and a vertical line over here with a curve on the bottom. And this is inside, is in the middle, okay? So I want to show you how I do my cup shape, and then it'll be your turn to practice. One vertical line. Kind of hard to do it like that. And bring it around and up. Now, as you can see, it was hard for me to do it upside down, and that's why you always want to be flat when you're writing. Okay, now you may take out your marker. Remember, put it on your cap on the back. You hear that little snap so you don't lose the cap. And once you're done, show me your cup shape with your 2 vertical lines and then the curve. See who's got it? Deshawn, that looks great. Jalen, I love it. Oh, looks good. Who else has got it? I love it. Good job. All right, now erase your boards. And this is going to be something that you will be doing with mom, dad, or whoever's taking care of you at home. So it should look like this. So it's nice and clean. When we put on our caps, you hear the snap. You can push it down on your table as well if you want to do that to make sure that you don't lose the ink. So that is our lesson today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I cannot wait to go on to the next activity. Before we do that, let's have a little movement break.